Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about string functions which are available in our ABAP on HANA. So let me quickly create one simple program and we can explore the string functions whatever we have available with some real-time example. Okay, my program is ready. I will write a simple select query. I'm using one standard table which is book, and I will select the fields, or else I will just use yes custom table. This will be fine. This has many text type fields, so it will be very useful. Name and city I want. Now I will do the string functions concat name comma city as concat function. So what this concat function will do means this will concat name and to name and city whatever we have mentioned. Instead of this name and city, we can give one field which is name, and instead of this city, we can give some constant or whatever we need. Now the other function is concat with space, and this function I will do on city comma in India. I will add as a text, and we have one more parameter for concat with space, and this one I will make it as 1 as concat with space and concat fields with space. So this function concat with space will concatenate this city, and here we have mentioned some text. So after the city it will add in India, and it will add one space between the city and in India, as we have mentioned the space as one, like one character space we have mentioned. And the next function is length. So the length function we have already known, like whenever we will be working from lots of years, this is the very simple function. So it will just return the length of your field whatever you have mentioned. If it is ABAP, then it will return 4, because the length of the ABAP is 4 characters. That's how it will returns the length of the field. And next function is instr. One thing you can do is, if you don't know how to use and what you have to pass, after writing this function you can do controls, not control space, just hover it, or write something. So now I am writing city, comma, and here I will write some WXC. Okay, I'm not getting any error now. But if I remove this one, I will be getting an error definitely. See, I'm getting an error and I will make it as 1. Let us see what will happen. Whether I'm getting an error or not. So basically what this instr function will do means in this field city, it will search for this one value. If it is there, it will return the position of it, else it will return 0. Basically, it has to be kept in this way. I'm clicking on this one, I'm clicking on F2. Okay. Now I'm clicking on F1. So now we have the standard SAP syntax available. Syntax, okay. Concatenate strings result type. Okay, I have many syntax available here. Concat with the space. Here you can see it is clearly mentioning the syntax and all. INSTR. So if you see here INSTR, what is the syntax? SQL expression comma sub. So whatever the substring you want to find the position, that one you have to give here. For now I'm giving some random value. So that way you can find the syntax easily or you can Google it. It will be very difficult if you want to remember each and everything. So SAP has made a F1 function available for us. So it will returns the position of the string mentioned. Now we have left and right functions also. So name, comma, I will make it as 4 characters. So what this name function will do means, so here I have a field which is called as name. In that name, it will get the first 4 characters of the name field. Extracts the first 4 characters of the field from left position. Now I am doing it here also because we have the same function available like for right also. So I have just entered Control Alt down, so it has added down also. Here I will be replacing with right. So it will return the last, not last, like the 4 characters from the right of the name. Here I will replace it right position. And we have lpad also. So lpad function will add the digits whatever we have mentioned if the length of the field is more. So I'm giving the field name as postcode, and length I'm giving as 10, and it has to add 0 if the length of this postcode is less than 10 characters. For example, if the postcode length is 4 characters only, remaining 6 characters it will add 0 from the left end. Adds the characters from left position based on number given. LPAD function, and same way I will be doing it for RPAD function also. So RPAD will add from the right. Here I will give it as right position. Into table, I will fetch it into one internal table. Okay, let us display the output by calling this method. Okay, our code is ready. So before executing, let us check the data we have present in the custom table. Control plus click will redirect you to this table and execute this one. So we have name available. Okay, let me take this one, and this has ID as 20 and city is LIEMEN. Okay, so here I will do it for ID equal to 20 for better understanding, and here I will replace with MEN since we have MEN variable characters available in that city. Okay, code is activated. Okay, let us clear the console. Let me run it again. Okay, so for ID, name is Becker, city is Lemon, and concat function has concatenated name and space, and concat with space function added Lemon in India with one space. And length function has returned the length of the name is BECKER Becker 6 characters, so it has returned 6 characters. And INSTR function, where is MEN present in the city, that is from 4th position, so it has returned 4. And left function has returned BSCK, from the left it is BECK, from the right it is CKER, has returned the last 4 characters from the right side. And LPAD function, so our postcode is 69181. The total length now it is 10 characters. It has added remaining 5 zeros from the left side. Here it has added 5 zeros from the right side. the remaining we have the 5 characters before as part of the postcode, and the remaining 5 characters it has added 0 from the left side for LPAD and at the right side for the RPAD function. Here it has added only 5 zeros because the length we have mentioned it as 10 characters. So we have only remaining 5 characters. So these are some of the string functions which are available. We have some other functions also like ltrim, rtrim and many other string functions. So those functions we will be seeing in our next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.